Okay, so we're at our room, and I'm going to give you a room tour of the room, and we're at the Appy Lodge, which is also short for the Appalachian Lodge in Gatlinburg. And so we are at room 207. Please don't come and stalk us at room. That's not 207. That's a 1. 217. 217. I can definitely read after a 3-hour car ride. 217. But either way, come on in. And this is a walkway. It's a beautiful walkway. First, you start off at the bathroom, which is right here in the walkway, in the middle of the walkway. Sink, toilet, shower, all the things that are in a bathroom normally. Yeah, come on and see. All right, there's the shower. It's actually a really cool shower. Just there's gonna be a lot of water outside the shower. That's gonna be a little weird, but it's fine. Alrighty, this is the sink. We're gonna go in here because this is where the living room is. So this is a 1-bedroom king suite, and so you've got a couch which pulls up to a bed, and then you got a table to go with the couch. You got a TV, flat screen TV. Oh, ooh. Then you got a couch. I was gonna say a couch. It's just a chair. And in here is where the bed is, the king bed.
This is a separate bedroom that you can close off from the other area, which is great for families with a few kids. You can have the kids out there and then the parents in here. Another TV.
Another TV. And then you got a microwave. A nice refrigerator, if I can open the, which way does it, oh, there we go, it opens that way. You've got lamps, stuff, closet. Basically, it's just a normal lodge. It's really cool though.
And there is the little closet, extra linens.
Yes.
And let's go ahead and show them our view.
Yeah.
We have a view of a lot of trees. I believe there's water down there. It's a stream.
I think it's a little stream.
And there's a patio.
We've got a patio. Okay.
Okay, so that was our room tour at the Appalachian Lodge in Gatlinburg.
Trail.
Oh, and here is the Appalachian Trail map if you ever wanted to know.
That is a really, really long
Oh, and our
trail.
room is called William Penn, just so you know. It is, yeah.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on our room tour of the Appy Lodge, which is also known as the Appalachian Lodge. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. See you guys next time. Bye.